Okay, Dominic, we've got your A9S computer done, and it came out great. It was in really good shape to begin with. There was no circuit damage or traces busted up at all. The capacitors were pretty much in the very early stages of failing, so you got to that in plenty of time, which is great. That's the right move. Here's your new middle capacitor. And there's your upper one. And there's your lower one. Looks really good. I think you're going to have a great repair here. There really was practically nothing wrong with it other than that they just were old and in need of replacement before they became a problem. And you're very proactive about doing it on this one, and that's great. That's exactly what we should be doing. So everything looks pretty good. The only thing I noticed that was maybe a little funny was the discoloration down here in the corner of the board. I'm not sure I can explain that. Seems like maybe a little bit of overheating or something, but I don't really know what caused that. It just looks just a little bronze down in this area compared to the very green and gold that everything else is. I don't think it's a problem. It's just an interesting side note, that's all. So, yeah, there's not really much to talk about on this one. It's in great shape. So I think you're going to have a lot of good years out of this computer. It's probably one of the nicest ones I've seen in a very long time. So, without further ado, we'll give her the quick final bench test, make sure everything's working. This is power, this is check engine light, and this is fuel pump operation. And the pump primes for 1 second like it should. Check engine comes on like it should. 5-volt regulator is fine. Go into code pulling mode here. And everything's still working great. All right. Talk to you later.